Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel BIM for Construction. So in this today Navisworks tutorial episode, we will be discussing about how you can compare the different versions of your Navisworks file. Okay, if you are having any NWC, NWD or any CAD or whatever format file you have appended in your Navisworks session, if you are having the different version, then how you can trick the what are the difference in both the files or how you can compare those. So we will be taking an example of this HVAC file. Here you can see we are having an HVAC model and we are in the Revit. Okay, so I will be quickly exporting this file and I will be mentioning it as an HVAC with the revision 01. Okay, let's save this file. After then I will be updating some model here and I will be again exporting that HVAC with the revision 2 file. Then we will be comparing in NWC in Navisworks. Okay, then we will be comparing in Navisworks what are the changes. So let's say one duct I am making here as an additional. Okay, so we have already exported revision 05 revision 01 HVAC already. Okay, now we are updating the model. So we have added one duct here. Okay, and let me remove one duct from here, one duct from here we have removed, one addition, one removed, and let me change one dimension. So let's say this one now I am making as a 600. Understood. Now again we will be exporting this duct. Okay, with revision 02 we will be exporting this HVAC full file with revision 2 now after some updates. So let's go to our Navisworks session. We'll be first in Navisworks session we have to append both the files. Okay, whatever the revision we are having, we have to append both the files. So revision 01 and revision 02 both HVAC file I have selected right now in my Navisworks session. Click open. So you can see here we are having both the files right now with us. Okay, so if I am selecting here those duct that I have additionally created in the revision 2, it will be available in revision 2 only. Okay, this one in revision 2 only, and this is our revision 01 in which we are having this duct here. There is no additional duct here and the size is as per the revision 1, but in revision 02 size we have increased. Okay, in revision 02 this duct we have deleted and here we have created one new duct. Okay, now to compare both the revisions, okay, you have to simply select both NWC's file. Then you are having a feature here in the tools palette, the compare option. You have to click on the compare, then you have to check box as per your requirement. So mostly whenever we are looking for the differences, okay, in modeling, in Revit modeling, so we will be going for only the geometries. Okay, if you need to check for the unique ID or the type, okay, then you can also select this one. So unique IDs also you can mention. So for now I am running as per the geometry. So whatever differences are in the geometries in both the two models in between elements, it will reflect us. And here in the result you have to check box remove all result, hide matches. So whatever elements which are overlapping with each other and same in both the files, it will hide those matches. Okay, highlighting result, this second option you can ignore, so it will not be saving those options, those results as a search set. Okay, those results we are already checking as a selection set, so you can ignore those. Now click OK. So you can easily see here we are having those colors coding here. Now in revision 02 we have made those changes. In next revision we have created this duct, so it is available in blue color. Okay, the new size that we have increased the size of the duct also available in the blue color, you can see here. And this duct that is we are not having in revision 2 because we have deleted in the revision 2 this duct. Okay, you can see here we have deleted, but in revision 01 it is available. So those elements which are available in revision 01 file are available, are showing with the yellow color. Those which are extra in revision 02 file are showing in the blue color, and those elements which are same in the both revision 1 and revision 02 are in the red color. So this is how you can compare your file in the Navisworks and you can check as per your requirement. Understood? So this is the way that you have to simply go here, choose the compare option, and then choose the compare, you can say the tests from here as per your requirement, and then you can run. Okay, and as we have selected in the result that to create the set, so here if you go to manage sets, those sets will be created. Okay, so here you can see unmatched, it is showing unmatched. It means in one of the revision this one file is unmatched. Okay, so this is available in the revision 01, but it is not available in the revision 02. This one, it will show you that these are the matches that we are having in revision 02 but are unmatched with revision 01 file. Okay, so this differences or the unmatched sets will be created, you can see here. Understood? So this is how the compare tool is working in the Navisworks itself.